Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x power 4 minus x power 3 minus x plus 1. This is equals to 0, and here we will find out the value of x. Look carefully here, x power 4 minus x power 3. If we take common x power 3, then x power 4 is divided by x power 3, then we get x, and x power 3 is divided by x power 3, then we get 1, and here negative sign, so negative 1. Look carefully, minus x plus 1, if we take common minus 1, then minus x is divided by minus 1, then we get x, and plus 1 is divided by minus 1, then we get minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here x minus 1 and here x minus 1. If we take common x minus 1, then x cube minus 1, this is equals to 0. Now students, we know that x cube minus y cube, this is equals to x minus y is multiplied by x square plus xy plus y square. Here if substitute y is equals to 1, then in left hand side x cube minus 1 cube, this is equals to x minus, and y is replaced by 1, x square plus x, and y is replaced by 1. 1 times x is x plus y is replaced by 1. 1 square is 1. So x cube minus 1 cube, that is 1, this is equals to x minus 1 is multiplied by x square plus x plus 1. Here x minus 1, and value of x cube minus 1 is x minus 1 is multiplied by x square plus x plus 1, and this is equals to 0. We know that 5 times 5 is 5 square. So, and a times a is a square. If we apply this rule here, x minus 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole square, and here x square plus x plus 1, this is equals to 0. X minus 1 whole square is multiplied by x square plus x plus 1, this is equals to 0. And we know that if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0, b is equals to 0, or both are zeros. So if we apply this rule here, then x minus 1 whole square, this is equals to 0, and x square plus x plus 1, this is equals to 0. And we know that if a square is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0, it means x minus 1, this is equals to 0, then value of x is 1. And here this is quadratic equation. Here we will apply quadratic formula. We know that quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. And we know that here value of a is 1, value of b is 1, and value of c is 1. Coefficient of x square is a, and coefficient of x is b, and constant term is c. X is equals to minus b is replaced by 1 plus minus square root of b is replaced by 1 square minus 4 a, and value of c is 1 over 2 times a, that is 1. X is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 over 2. then x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 over 2 and square root of minus 3. Here square root of minus 3. This is equals to square root of minus 1 times 3. And here if we apply this rule, a times b, this is equals to square root of a times square root of b. If we apply this rule here, then square root of minus 1 times square root of 3. And value of square root of minus 1 is iota. So square root of 3 times I. So here x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 times I divided by 2. We have three values of x. First value of x is 1 and second value of x is minus 1 minus square root of 3 times I divided by 2 and third value of x is minus 1 plus square root of 3I divided by 2. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and thank you.